It's holiday time. You don't have to give presents because you're welcoming people into your home as a present. But if you want to give... What's that? I got a present. It's addressed to me. And it's very jolly wrapping as well. Look at that. What's this? What's this? Oh! Oh no! It's the Hallmark Channel Countdown to Christmas. How hysterical. This is fantastic. Thank you, guys. All right, so let's talk about presents. So, and your house, actually, presents to yourself. For instance, last night I bought sheets. I'm not gonna lie. It's okay to get nice things. And it's okay to give nice things, and it's also okay not to give or get anything, because opening your home is the greatest gift that you can give. Especially this year when the gatherings are quite small and usually the people you've been with for the past 8 months. What I'm saying is, if you're gonna buy a present, I'd like to give you some suggestions for candles and scents, because these are things that they can enjoy in their home way past the moment of you bestowing on them the gift, okay? So these are beautiful scents that they can use. Now, Norden incense, fantastic incense. We spoke about Idlewild. Ojai is another one. They're great. But they also make a very special one that's a resin called Mexican copal. It's more expensive. I think it's $25 instead of $18, but it's big. It looks like that. And it has an incredible smell. One thing you should know is that it kind of makes like firecrackers slightly when you light it, and it can drip. But I'm going to show you this cool thing I invented. Do not use incense burners, because what they do is they just drop the ash down and it blows all over your house. It's a pointless thing. So what did I invent? I invented the incense pot. This is a pot filled with dirt, covered with some pretty pebbles. Hello. This is the greatest thing to burn incense in ever. I used to do it in my plants, but then I was wondering if the ash was not good for the plants. So here we go. I just want you to see this, because I would really suggest buying this. It sells out constantly. See the firecrackers? When I come back to the house, when I've been away for a while, I light this because it's really beautiful. And then the great thing about the incense pot is that when you're sick of the incense burning, you just pick it up and put it this way. And then when you want to burn it, you just tap it like this, set it back upright, and light it. All right, let's talk about candles. Let me just break it down. If you don't know what to do in the candle store, I'm just going to help you. First of all, take your time and have fun. But secondly, they're expensive. So I've been recently discovered, I guess through Instagram. They have no idea I'm saying this. This company called DS&DURGA. They're in New York City. They're in Brooklyn, I think. Extraordinary perfumers, okay? And they make these beautiful candles. May I recommend to you, $65, okay? This is called Big Sur After Rain. The container is so beautiful. I'm not crazy about that, but it doesn't matter because the smell is so amazing. Oh my God, it's so good. I want to light it right now. So these are affordable for gifts, I mean. Now, people say, he gave me a candle. He didn't give you a DS&DURGA candle. My favorite is Big Sur After Rain. May I also recommend Portable Christmas Tree, super cute label. It's not the most overpowering Christmas tree candle. There's the one from Diptyque is fabulous. Then they have Holy Ficus, which is more like figgy and hippie-ish, like a little bit patchouli-y. Any one of these. Holy Ficus, Portable Christmas Tree, or Big Sur After Rain. Whoa. Oh, those are fabulous. If you're gonna go the Diptyque route, they're slightly more expensive. Start with this, Maki. Everybody loves it. A beautiful winter scent, but it also works in the summer. It's sandalwood and, oh, it's so good, it's delicious. And it also is powerful. Sometimes you'll buy a candle and it doesn't make the room smell, but this will. Now, the queen of all queens is Cire Trudon, which we've talked about before. They were the candle makers for Louis XVI and Marie Antoinette and prior. In fact, as I told you before, Sofia Coppola used Cire Trudon candles in all the chandeliers in Versailles for the shooting of Marie Antoinette. Beautiful detail. But they make my house scent, which is Carmelite, which I learned in a hotel in London. I was like, what is that candle? And it was Carmelite. They also make something called Solus Rex. This is $100, so this is for a special person, okay? They last and last and last. This is the most divine winter smell. Solus Rex by Cire Trudon, Holy Ficus, Big Sur After Rain by DS&DURGA, and Portable Christmas Tree by DS&DURGA. And if you're starting at diptyque, start with Maquis. If you walk in and say, may I smell a Maquis? What they'll do, just so you know, is they'll do this. Don't be nervous. They pop it out in their hand and they give you the jar. And you smell the jar. Now, always remember, you're right. Don't be scared to buy perfume. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Doesn't matter how famous it is, okay? If it's a fancy, famous candle and you don't like it, you don't like it. So don't let people intimidate you. And also, if you can't think of anything, any one of these 5 makes an excellent Christmas gift. Opening your home is the greatest gift that you can give.